like Jimmy Rogers. I'm waiting for a train, something to take me far from here. I know I shouldn't bother, but I've come unglued. I can't get rid of it. You know I'm sick of it. Times I've tried. Something has come of me, and I know I'm gonna see all the things I want to. I grabbed my boots and my old suitcase and I'm gone, yeah. You can meet with me down by the sea. You better get moving, as a matter of fact, because tonight I'll be riding those railroad tracks. Come on, take a little trip, take a little trip, take a little trip with me. Take a little trip, honey, take a little trip with me. It looks like the full moon's on the rise. The colors of the stars are in your eyes. We're on the run and we know why. 1,000,000 signs, 1,000,000 lives I've lived, girl. 1,000,000 times we've sung 1,000,000 lines. A lonesome song for every railroad track and every country road and every devil's backbone. Take a little trip, take a little trip, take a little trip with me.